Have you ever set goals at the start of the year only to forget them a few months later? You're not alone. Studies show that over 80% of people abandon their resolutions by February. But what if there was a way to keep your goals in focus every single day and actually achieve them? Welcome to this video. In this video I'll walk you through how to create a vision board that actually works. One that aligns with your subconscious mind, keeps you motivated, and turns dreams into reality. Stick with me till the end, because I'll also share a proven technique used by high achievers to make vision boards even more powerful. The science behind vision board. A vision board is not just a collage of pretty pictures. It's a psychological tool that leverages the Reticular Activating System, RAS, a part of your brain that filters information. When you repeatedly see images of your goals, your RAS helps you notice opportunities, ideas, and actions that align with them. For example, have you ever thought about buying a red car, and suddenly, you see red cars everywhere? That's your RAS in action. Now, imagine using this powerful system to manifest your dream job, ideal lifestyle, or financial freedom. The ingredients of a powerful vision board. To create a vision board that actually works, you need 5 key ingredients. 1. Clarity. Know exactly what you want. Be specific instead of, "I want to be rich." Aim for, "I want to earn $1 million by 2026 through investments and business." 2. Emotion. Pick images that spark an emotional connection. Your brain responds more to feelings than just words. 3. Realism and belief. Set goals that challenge you but are believable. If you don't believe it, your subconscious will reject it. 4. Action plan. Attach real-life actions to your vision. Your board is a guide, but execution makes it real. 5. Consistency. Place your vision board where you see it every day. Repetition is key. How to create your vision board. Here's a step-by-step guide to creating your vision board. Step 1. Define your goals. Write down goals for different areas of your life: career, health, relationships, wealth, travel, and personal growth. Example. Instead of saying, "I want a better job," write, "I want to be a chief procurement officer in a top firm earning 1.3 crore rupees by December 2024. Step 2. Find visual representations. Look for images, quotes, and symbols that represent your goals. You can find them in magazines, online, or even draw them. Example. If your goal is financial freedom, you might add a picture of a dream home, a stock market chart, and a luxury travel destination. Step 3. Arrange and personalize your board. Use a physical board or a digital vision board, Canva, Pinterest, or apps like Vision Board app. Organize it in a way that excites you. Add affirmations and deadlines to reinforce belief. Step 4. Place it where you see it daily. Your vision board should be in your workspace, bedroom, or as a screensaver. Somewhere you can see it first thing in the morning and before sleeping. Step 5. Take inspired action. A vision board is not magic. It's a tool for focus and motivation. You must take small daily actions toward your goals. Power techniques to supercharge your vision board. Here are 2 powerful techniques high achievers use. 1. Visualization ritual. Spend 5 minutes every morning staring at your vision board, imagining yourself living those moments. Feel the success, the joy, and the gratitude as if it's already happening. 2. The 5x55 manifestation method. Write down an affirmation related to your goal 55 times for 5 days straight. This imprints the goal into your subconscious. Example. If you want to become a YouTube influencer with 1 million subscribers, write, "I am grateful for having 1 million subscribers and impacting lives through my content." Success stories of vision board. Did you know? Jim Carrey wrote himself a $10 million check for acting services rendered. 5 years later, he earned exactly that amount for Dumb and Dumber. Oprah Winfrey has repeatedly spoken about using vision boards to manifest her dreams. Arnold Schwarzenegger used visualization techniques before becoming a world-class bodybuilder and Hollywood star. If it worked for them, it can work for you too. Your next steps. 1. Start today. Write down 5 goals and find images that represent them. 2. Create your board this week. Whether it's physical or digital, just get started. 3. Commit to reviewing it daily. Feel the emotions, take small steps, and watch your life transform. Now it's your turn. Comment below and let me know what your number 1 goal is for this year. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more self-transformation content. Remember, you don't get what you wish for, you get what you focus on. Keep believing, keep taking action, and make your dreams a reality. Until next time, stay inspired and keep creating your best life.